Hello and welcome back. After installing your virtual machine and your flat VM, now it is time to install the Microsoft Visual Studio Community Edition inside your virtual machine. So open up your virtual machine and open up your Chrome browser inside the virtual machine. Head over to this link, this website here, which I will provide for you in the file in the download resource section. And then click on Download Visual Studio. The Visual Studio Community Edition is a free version of Visual Studio. Click on the link to download the installer. And it says here your download will start shortly. If your download does not begin, click here to retry. And I see in my bottom left corner that the download has started and it has completed. So now I click on this to show in folder, and I am now in my downloads folder, and I can now double click on this to begin the installation. So just double click on this Microsoft Download Manager, click on Run, and click on Yes, and click on Continue. After a few minutes, you will see this screen here, and here is where you can select what you want to install. So for our course, we need the desktop development with C++ environment. So we click on this checkbox here, and notice this is installing Visual Studio Community 2019-16.10.4. After you have checked this checkbox here, you can see all the included features that will be downloaded and installed, and the total space required is 7.87 gigabytes, and the download instruction default is install while downloading. So just click on this button here to begin the download process, and now it has begun the download operation. While downloading, it will also do the install operation. If you don't want it to start after installation, you can uncheck this box here. So this will take some time to download depending on your internet speed. It might take a few hours or half an hour. Once it's complete, you will have installed successfully Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2019 C++. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to take a snapshot of the virtual machine.